Hey DIYers, this is Daires Grant of diypowercouple, and today I'm here with my helper,
Daires Grant Jr.
In this video, we're going to show you how we changed this old light fan into this modern retractable fan. At the end, we'll give you some pros and cons about the fan. We're also going to show you how and what we use to clean the fan blades. Okay, so we opened our new Hunter Fanaway box and took out its contents one by one to see what came with it. We put this part in the video because we wanted you to see everything that comes with this type of fan. This fan has some very unique parts. The ceiling bracket is an important part if you don't already have a fan installed. The remote control also comes with the wall-mounted resting plate. The receiver definitely adds to the appeal of having a modern fan. It pretty much looked like standard fan parts, but when we took out the light kit mounting plate, we were like, what's this? I mean, it looks pretty interesting. We knew this was going to be a fun DIY project. We used a cordless screwdriver to remove the old fan screws. We also used an adjustable wrench to tighten the down rod to the mounting plate. Please turn off the electricity at the electrical panel or fuse box before working with live wires. While installing the receiver inside the fan mount, we made sure to pull out the receiver wire so the remote would work from any direction. I used needle nose pliers to grab and connect some of the wires because my hands are fairly large. Once they were connected, I used wire twist caps to hold them in place. The mounting plate has several screws that we connected in order to attach the light. We're just making sure the fixture is hanging securely and tightening all the remaining light screws. We thought it was best to test the light and the fan before we placed the wires inside the top canopy. Here you can see the 5 clear acrylic blades nicely folded on top. This modern ceiling fan comes with a 5-button handheld remote. The bottom round button turns the light on and off, and the 4 oval buttons adjust the fan speed and turn it on and off.
The fan blades spin really fast. This is a pretty cool fan.
I agree. It literally only takes seconds for the blades to expand and hit their high speed.
I like the buttons on this remote.
In our home, this remote serves as a movable light switch. We are able to turn the light and the fan on while in another room. This comes in handy when it's hot outside and hot in the kitchen. We thought that the blades would stop as fast as they started, but we noticed that the fan goes into a 5-phase process to slow down.
The fan blades impressed me with the way they fold in.
Yeah, it's pretty cool how they go down. We wanted to show you the full process of how it slows down, because it's nice to see how it retracts. This fan installation was part of our kitchen makeover. Click the link to see the full transformation. It takes between 3 to 5 minutes to come to a complete stop. It's really nice to see how the acrylic blades retract back into the top of the mounting plate. This is the 5th and final time that the blades retract.
I want to thank you guys for cleaning the fan blades.
It was kind of hard to pull the blades out.
The spring mechanism held the blades pretty tight. According to the manufacturer, remember to pull out and hold 2 or 3 of the blades at the same time to clean them. Otherwise, it's possible that you could snap a single blade. When you're doing DIY projects, it's always good to take some time to appreciate the work that you just did.
Okay, smile.
Method All-Purpose Natural Surface Cleaner works great on dirt and grease. The 5 clear acrylic blades automatically expand to quietly move air throughout the whole room. Take a quick look at these pros and cons about the fan.
It was fun working together on this project. The fan blends in with the kitchen.
Yes, it does. This retractable fan really does keep our home cool during summer. We think this upgrade speaks for itself.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends,
And subscribe to our channel.
and remember, you can DIY too.